Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning back in into my channel. I have a new wig review today. Maybe old, but it's very new to me, but we're gonna jump into it. Okay, so I'm back. The wig I have is the Freetress Equal Level Up HD Lace Front Wig, and her name is Ladonna. I have the exact same the exact same color as the one in the picture, which is the FF Hot Choco. It's a really pretty unit, y'all. It does come pre-plucked around the hairline. So it is just a middle part, but I think if you could shift it over, it could be like a side part if you prefer. This wig came from, where did I buy this wig from? Came from samsbeauty.com. Let's see. Okay, so this is what her cap construction looks like. I've already cut my lace, as you can see. So here's the middle part here, and it only just comes with like 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back and 2 adjustable straps. This wig, when I tried it on, it is very comfortable. It is big head friendly, and I've seen a lot of girls review this wig, the same exact wig, and they were saying how tight it was across the, you know, how it's not really big head friendly. I'm like, actually, yes, it is. So I'm not gonna glue this down, of course. It's just really, if I can avoid gluing my wig, I will. Let's go ahead and put on my cap. And go ahead and get my wig grip band. This is like the best kind, y'all. The one that has the lace already in it. For some reason, it stays more snug than the one that's just completely Velcro. It's weird, I don't know. But you can get this like at your local beauty supply store. It's probably like only $2. I encourage everyone to get one if they don't want to, you know, glue their wig down. All right, so try it on. Okay. Get all this hair out the way. Okay. I'm not gonna worry about the part. Just want y'all to see how it looks, how pretty this color is. And this stops like just at like the waist level on me. See how pretty this color is though? I really wanted like a different color wig instead of, because I buy the color number 2 everything like all the time. And, you know, with lace fronts, you can really spice things up and get any color that you want. But this is like a really, really pretty color and a very comfortable cap, because this is just like a, honestly, like a walk out and go. So this is how long it is on me. I literally have no cons about this wig. I was not gonna buy it due to what other people said about it, the cap construction, because I had my very first wig that I bought was like very tight on my head, and I just was not sure about this one when I heard that it was tight on everybody else's head. So I just went on ahead and got it a shot, and then like it was like very inexpensive at the time, so I just wanted a straight wig, and I went on ahead and bought one, and y'all were very wrong. This feels so good. So yeah, like my wig grip, John ain't going nowhere. I love it so much. All right, y'all. So that's it. Just let me know what y'all think about it at the comments below. Like, subscribe, and share to my channel if you want to see more content. And you guys have an awesome day. Bye.